Hello guys, today I'll be sharing my experience with the WeCreate Vision 20-watt laser engraver and cutter, a dynamic and robust machine crafted for precise engraving and cutting across a range of materials. In this comprehensive review, I will detail my experience testing the machine on different materials, assessing its accuracy, power, and versatility. Upon unboxing, the WeCreate Vision comes well protected, and the package includes essential accessories such as the air assist pump, USB cable, test engravings, power adapter, exhaust hose, 2 metal bed grates, and various clamps. The enclosed design is highlighted as a safety feature to prevent direct exposure to the laser, especially for curious onlookers. The WeCreate Vision stands out with its enclosed design, addressing safety concerns associated with open bed laser engravers. The top case, made of laser-safe orange filter, eliminates the need for protective goggles. The auto shutdown feature when lifting the lid enhances safety, particularly around curious children. The inclusion of a built-in HD camera and LED lights aids in precise material alignment, streamlining the engraving process. The entire inner frame lifts up, simplifying material placement without the need for riser bases. Setting up the WeCreate Vision is streamlined, with most components pre-assembled. Connecting accessories and peripherals such as the air assist pump and power brick is straightforward. The enclosed design and integrated components contribute to a clean and organized appearance. Diving into its performance, the WeCreate Vision impressively combines a 20-watt diode laser module with a 420mm by 290mm engraving space. It boasts a remarkable maximum engraving speed of 600mm per second, complemented by a precise 0.01mm movement accuracy. This level of precision is particularly noteworthy when handling intricate designs and delicate materials. The machine's power is exemplified by its capability to effortlessly cut through 10mm thick wood, all within the confines of its seemingly compact frame. Additionally, the WeCreate Vision is equipped with an intuitive camera-enabled autofocus function, enhancing its overall user-friendly experience. The autofocus feature simplifies the setup process, significantly reducing preparation time and material wastage due to traditional manual focusing methods. This auto-lifting function is not only convenient, but ensures that the distance between the laser and the material is always optimal for engraving and cutting, regardless of the material's thickness. The built-in camera is a key feature of the WeCreate Vision. With less than 1mm accuracy, it excels in aligning your designs to the raw materials, virtually eliminating guesswork and reducing wasted resources. For creators, the WeCreate Vision stands out with its library of design resources. Thousands of images, fonts, and ready-made projects empower users to jump straight into production, while an AI-powered image generator offers a touch of future-forward convenience. Safety with this machine is paramount. It's reassuring to know that the WeCreate Vision adheres to FDA Class 1 standards. The enclosed design not only protects eyes from the laser, but also helps manage fumes and noise, making the engraving experience safer and more pleasant. Moreover, the robust metal build promises durability and resistance against potential fire hazards. To put the WeCreate Vision to the test, I started by engraving a series of letters, numbers, and small fonts onto a sample piece of wood. The complexity of the fonts served as a challenge to the machine's precision and its ability to handle detailed work. As the laser moved with assured accuracy at 600mm per second, the outcome was impressive. The engravings were sharp, clear, and consistent across varying sizes and complexities, verifying the machine's touted 0.01mm movement accuracy. Our first experiment involves a piece of 3mm basswood. We aim to create a practical phone holder, showcasing the machine's ability to handle intricate designs and cuts. The engraver flawlessly executed the design, implying a strong suitability for DIY projects and crafts. For our subsequent project, we used the remaining 3mm basswood to craft a panda puzzle pendant. This exercise allowed us to observe the machine's capability to manage tiny puzzle pieces, which it did so with exceptional finesse. A seasonal project is next on the list, a Thanksgiving candle box luminary to be crafted from the same 3mm piece of wood. This project requires the WeCreate Vision to execute larger cuts while maintaining the accuracy needed for the delicate luminary patterns. The machine executes the task with finesse, producing a festive piece that fits together well and radiates the warmth and charm befitting the holiday season. Switching materials, we use an aluminum business card to engrave a dragon. Aluminum can be tricky, but the WeCreate Vision engraved the design with sufficient clarity and depth without damaging the card. On a stainless steel tag, we wanted to see how well the laser could handle pet ID tags, a common use for these machines. We engraved a pet paw and the name Fox, and the laser provided a sharp, clean engrave that would certainly stand up to the wear and tear of being on an active pet's collar. When testing a machine's cutting power on wood, we started with an 8mm thick piece, and the laser sliced through it beautifully, as smoothly as cutting butter, one might say. Moving on to a 16mm piece, the results were still good, albeit with a slight decrease in the smooth cut quality that was noticeable on the 8mm piece. For a softer job, we engraved a variety of animals on paper, which requires a very gentle touch to avoid burn-through. The WeCreate Vision managed this with ease, providing crisp images without damaging the paper. On a piece of leather, we engraved a cute panda, a test to see how the laser would handle a soft and potentially inconsistent material. The result was a detailed and evenly engraved design, indicating that the machine can adeptly switch between different material consistencies. Finally, we tackled our most ambitious project, engraving and cutting a large wood portrait of Luffy Gear 5 laughing. This demanded everything the WeCreate Vision had to offer, from its surface area capacity to detail rendition. The machine handled this complex task efficiently, keeping the intricate facial features and dynamic movement of the character intact, showing off the machine's capabilities for larger and more artistic endeavors. Comparing the WeCreate Vision laser engraver to the xTool S1, we can see distinct advantages that may make the WeCreate Vision a preferred choice for some users. The WeCreate Vision 20-watt laser engraver is a better choice than the xTool S1 in terms of camera, auto-lifting, software, and value. The Vision has a 5-megapixel camera that can capture high-resolution images of the work area and enable real-time preview and positioning. The Vision also has a unique auto-lifting function that can adjust the focus and height of the laser head according to the surface of the material. The Vision also offers a great value for money, as it costs only $1,449, which is almost half the price of the xTool S1. The xTool S1, on the other hand, no auto-lifting function and a higher price tag. In conclusion, the WeCreate Vision laser engraver and cutter proved to be a powerful and versatile machine. Whether it's the delicate paper engravings, the deep cuts in thicker wood, or finely detailed work on metal, the machine stands up well to a variety of challenges. Users from craft enthusiasts to small businesses can rely on this engraver for consistent quality and dependable accuracy, making it a worthy investment in the realm of laser engraving and cutting.